Hi Saraki lovers, how are you? And we are here to talk about this professional product. So these are for the hairdressers only, right? So this is the SOS Recovery Treatment. What is the SOS Recovery Treatment? It's a really powerful reconstruction treatment that Saraki has in its range. It is enriched in macadamia oil and a lot of hydrolyzed keratin, hydrolyzed collagen, and hydrolyzed elastin. This guy was developed to recover really damaged hair. So I'm talking here about elastic, breaking, unstructured hair. So hairs that you shouldn't do any type of chemical or thermal procedure, including nanoplasty. How you are going to use. On a hair is slightly wet, so wash the hair, normal shampoo, remove the excess water from the hair, apply the SOS Recovery Treatment. It's a really liquid, so you are going to place in a bowl and use a brush to apply through the entire hair, from the roots to the ends. You can also use a comb to distribute evenly, making sure that all the strands have been covered properly, especially the middles and the ends of the hair. You're going to leave for 10 to 15 minutes on the hair to rinse it out, dry this hair, and test how this hair has improved. This product, it goes amazingly well when the Power Ampoule is combined after applying the SOS Recovery. So after rinsing the recovery, you are going to apply the ampoule, leaving 10-15 minutes and rinse it out. The vast majority of hairs will recover in the first application. Depending on how damaged the hair was, you may even need to, after 1 week, redo this reconstruction treatment and see how the hair has improved. That's it. This is the SOS Recovery Treatment. If you have more questions, it will be a pleasure explaining. Message, email, call us. We are here for this, all right? If you still don't follow us, our social medias, Facebook, Instagram, and see you soon. Bye-bye.